It seems like the dolls are enjoying the way they're spending their vacations. The girls keep on upgrading their doll hotels. A comfy rocking chair appears in a winter house up in the mountains. Cut 2 headbands and take out the metallic frame. Fasten the pieces together with 2 pieces of coffee stirrers. Make legs out of chopsticks. Cut a wooden ruler to fit the size. Hot glue a seat made from the ruler or 2 pieces of coffee stirrers. Bend a thin hot glue stick to be the back frame of the chair and shape the back using coffee stirrers. Fasten the seat to the legs of the rocking chair. Make the arches thicker with hot glue. Coat the chair with spray paint. Dolly's hotel concept is very intricate and well thought out. It's so nice to sit in a rocking chair near a fireplace, covered with a blanket and drinking hot cocoa. This ski resort for Barbie deserves 5 stars. And Christy can't imagine relaxing near a swimming pool without a comfy deck chair. Cut a thin styrofoam cylinder lengthwise. Hot glue thin plastic straws to make a base. Attach straws on top crosswise very close to each other. Stick 2 straws into the styrofoam. This is the base for the back. Hot glue straws to make borders and attach sticks to the back. Fasten a styrofoam block as a leg rest. Cut a rectangular mat from soft fabric. Christy's Barbie is the queen of the beach. A personal deck chair is reserved just for her. All she has to do now is wait for a beach party. The dolls have very different vacations, but they are equally comfy. It's more than just a vacation, it's a doll's dream come true. Winter Barbie decides to go out and ski. Cut a tip off a balloon. Take 2 identical nail files. Put your doll on them and fasten her feet with the balloon bands. Barbie looks very confident on her skis. She must have been training at a nail salon. She will conquer every mountain with these skis. And while she is going down the hill, the wind did her hair in a very stylish way. Dissolve blue food coloring in water. Dye the ends of Barbie's hair with this solution. Cut wire into pieces. Twist strands of hair around the pieces of wire and blow dry the hair. Remove the wires. Dolly's Barbie is ready to win the icy hearts of skiers. Christy's doll is enjoying the sun at the seaside, and she hides under a big beach umbrella at noon. Cut a big plastic bottle. Cut off the neck. Hot glue a cap from the inside. Make a hole in the cap with the nozzle of a hot glue gun. Insert a wide tube. Fasten it with hot glue. Cut long triangles out of colored foam rubber sheets. Attach them to the umbrella. Decorate the edge of the umbrella with a satin ribbon. Cover the top with light clay. Opening an umbrella at a beach is a great idea. All skin needs UV protection. Even plastic skin. Both dolls love their vacation accessories. Our vacation games are continuing. Winter Barbie pulls a sleigh with her little daughter. Attach thin straws to 2 bobby pins crosswise. Cut off a piece of a wooden ruler to fit the size and hot glue it to the straws. Paint coffee stirrers 2 colors. Cut them to fit the size of the sleigh and attach 2 layers of them to the seat. Take the metallic fastener of a binder clip and attach it to the sleigh and paint it black. Tie a rope. Dolls love sleighing too. We arranged an actual winter fairy tale for Barbie and her family. And what should we do for Christy? Someone else's Barbie is having fun while she doesn't have any new ideas. But Dolly is a perfect tour manager. She quickly comes up with a swimming mat. Cut a foam plastic insulation stick into 3 pieces. Hot glue them together. Coat the piece with primer. Cover each strip with acrylic paint. The doll's swimming mattress actually works! Tropical Barbie loves resting on her swimming mat. It doesn't matter what kind of resort these dolls choose. They will always have something fun to do thanks to our ideas. Did you like our ideas for summer and winter Barbie vacations? Then write in the comments which resort your dolls would like to go to. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new Barbie tips and tricks on Troom.